This started like most other traffic-choked morning commutes, but this one ended in gunfire. Police say road rage led one person to shoot another in Alexandria this morning. The scene of the crime, Eisenhower Avenue near Claremont Drive. Stephanie Ramirez is there live. Stephanie.
Adam, this is that area right over here, but tonight police have an arrest of 58-year-old named Ernest Stickel, who we learned has a past. But we also learned tonight he may be able to fight this, according to a Virginia attorney.
Absolutely. I believe this would be something that they could take to court to fight.
We're going to pause that for a moment to first explain what happened. Alexandria police say it was just before 8 a.m. this morning when a conflict on the Beltway spilled over onto the Eisenhower connector near the I-495 off-ramp. You can see the passenger window of this SUV shot out. Officers arrested 58-year-old Ernest Stickel for shooting a 33-year-old woman multiple times. Her passenger didn't get hit.
Shocking, for sure. The fact that he went that far.
That's the reaction from the suspect's Mechanicsville, Maryland neighbor. He described Stickel as someone who kept to himself. Online, we found an older history of battery and assault charges, but that history is only one piece of the puzzle.
If they were openly carrying a firearm loaded in their vehicle, that would be perfectly legal.
John Pierce says it's not illegal for Stickel to have a loaded firearm in his car.
My practice is focused almost exclusively on firearms law.
Pierce says Virginia is an open carry state, and the attorney tells us he's paying close attention to reports that claim, according to witnesses, it was the victim who got out of the truck yelling to approach the suspect. If that's the case, Pierce is asking,
did the aggressor commit some overt act that made him believe that they were going to be able to breach his vehicle?
Now, the suspect fled the scene here. We know this from police. They also say he turned himself in later. Police are not telling us who started all of this, but they are warning against acts of aggression tonight. In Alexandria, Stephanie Ramirez, WUSA 9.
Stephanie, thanks. Now, one last note on this story. Witnesses say the 33-year-old victim was shot in the neck and in the back. She is still in the hospital tonight.